If you're holding Dogecoin and want to move it into your Binance wallet, here's how to do it safely. First, open your Binance app or website and then go to Wallet and then Deposit and select Dogecoin, Doge. Binance will show you a deposit address. Make sure it's the right one and that the network selected is Dogecoin. Copy the address. Now head to the wallet or exchange you want to get the Dogecoin from. So for example, I have Trust Wallet here. Look for your Dogecoin and press on it, press on send, and here paste the Binance address and the amount you want to send, and confirm and double check the address and the network before confirming. Sending to the wrong chain can mean losing your coins forever. Hit confirm, and depending on the network load, it usually takes a few minutes for the Doge to arrive in your Binance wallet. You'll get a notification once it's confirmed. And that's it. Copy the address, paste it into your withdrawal, and make sure the network is Dogecoin. Safe, simple, and quick. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.